sometimes it becomes very much difficult work for us to handle this type of YouTube channel. But however, we are doing this and it's our work. I think that we have taken this for permanent, for a lifetime.
At your house, do you speak in English or do you use your mother tongue?
Who is your favorite football player?
Yeah, Rolando, it is a very popular and very, I mean, followers. It is a very followers.
So, hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am fine. And
So, as we're meeting very first time, would you like to introduce yourself?
yeah, my name is Kumkum Kumari. I am from Jharkhand, Ranchi. I am 17 years old. Now I am a study 11th. My hobbies are football and make a new cuisine food. Yeah, that's all about myself. It is a short.
Nice introduction. So, can I introduce myself?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So, this is Maliha Masud. I study in 8th standard. I'm belong to Bangladesh country as your neighbor. If I talk my family, 4 members in my family. They're my parents, me, and my brother. If I talk my hobbies, so I like to drawing, reading storybook, reading history book as well. If I talk my activity every single day, so every single day I try to adhere my study as well as I make a content as well. So that's it about me.
Wow, your very hobbies. Yeah, it's so good.
I'd like to know from you that how long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, because you know na कि in the generation English it is important. You can say a study related and also interview and first time I visit the having foreign country, so it is a help us.
So how you have got the idea that you have to also learn this language?
Yeah, yeah. And one ask you question. Who is? So
He's my brother. We are siblings as well as we are twins.
twins. Okay, twins. Yeah.
Yes, both are
Um,
twins.
yeah, both are twins. Okay, but both are you having same to conversation. I mean, always be. Yeah.
So if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yeah. Okay. No. Please, first you are. Okay.
Okay, so how long have you been learning this language, English?
Yeah. I think na December I started. 25 December I started.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So every day, what do you do to improve your spoken English?
No. I am not more practice. Only different person I talked with. Only different person I talked with. Not I am not hardworking. Because now I am 11th student now, so I am also attend the college and coaching and online classes. So how it is a possible more giving the English level? I know okay, English it is important, but now my it is important to 11th because now nowadays in the my exam and also in the March I will become the exam. So how it is a possible? Yeah, I think you said that you are 8 standard.
Yes, you're right. We are studying 8th standard.
Both of you.
Yes.
Both of you.
Yes.
Yeah, but how it is a possible? Because both of you are 800. So how it is a possible? And also, you are every day going to a school. Both of you.
Yeah, actually, ma'am, truly speaking, that it's very difficult to continue our spoken English, especially to continue this type, making this type of conversation. Actually, truly speaking, for a long time, we're not getting any kind of people for conversation, and this is our first conversation after 1 week. And in the time, we were very busy with our academic studies, with our home task, so that's why we couldn't make any kind of conversation with anyone. But today, we thought that we should do that, and we should make one conversation with anyone, and we got you. So that's why we're making this video. And sometimes it becomes very much difficult work for us to handle this type of YouTube channel. But however, we are doing this and it's our work. I think that we have taken this for permanent, for a lifetime. That's why every single day we are trying to make some English blog video for improving our spoken English. Also, we are making this type of, we are trying our best to make this type of English conversational video. And as well as that is the main topic, main thing, that is we are speaking speaking a lot every time. So I think these type of things are really helping us to improve our spoken English and communication skills as well. And learning English is very important for us. We realize the importance of learning this language, and that's why we are trying to improve our communication skills as well by making this type of conversation. Thank you.
Yeah, you're very well speaking English. Yeah, I'm really appreciated.
So, one
I'm
thing I want to know from you that which state are you from?
I'm from a state Jharkhand, and you?
Okay, actually, in our country there is no state. We are from Dinaspur district.
Yeah, please could you repeat it?
Yes, we are belong to Dinaspur district in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Your state name is Bangladesh.
No, our country name is Bangladesh.
Okay. Country name is Bangladesh. Okay. Now I am got it. In the India is near the Bangladesh. Okay.
Don't you heard any time Bangladesh country?
Yeah. I also know Bangladesh country. I know. And which type of the state in the Bangladesh living?
So, as I have mentioned you, there is no any kind of state. In our country, there are a lot of upazila, union, district, and so on.
Oh, not. I mean, not able to a state. Only district.
Yes, only
Okay.
district. So, I have heard that in Jharkhand state, their mother tongue is Bengali, right?
No. My mother tongue it is not Bengali. My mother tongue it is a Khotha and also Hindi.
So, one
Yeah.
question I want to ask you that at your house, do you speak in English or do you use your mother tongue?
No. My house it is not used to English. Only Hindi or Khotha. I also
Okay.
belong to rural area.
Oh, I have got it. So, apart from this conversation, apart from this communication skill, do you do any other thing to enhance your spoken English as well?
Yeah. Now I am joined to a skill development classes.
Okay. Do you have any hobby especially?
Yeah, my hobby is a special football now. I
Okay.
also play the yeah. I also like to vary football. I also play the in the state level.
Okay, so ma'am, as you're students and as you are human beings, so when you get free time, what do you like to do? I mean, what's your hobby?
My hobby is a football. Na. In the past time, I will be played like Sunday. You can say like Sunday. Yeah.
So, who is your best footballer? Your favorite footballer?
Yeah, I think when I am 10th standard, it is my best football. But now I am 11th study now, so I am not playing the football. Yeah.
So,
Okay.
who is your best football player?
In the my India.
Yeah, whole world. You
Hello.
can say who is your favorite football player?
Rolando.
That's great. Same here.
Same here. We also like him. He's also our favorite.
Yeah, Rolando it is a very popular and very I mean followers. It is a very followers. Yeah.
Yeah, our favorite football player is also Cristiano Ronaldo, and we also like him very much. And I think that most of the Indian people like him very much for football. Like,
Yeah. Indian people is also like the football. You know, ST look it is a very like to Rolando. You know, ST it is a you can say religion. So it is a very like to Rolando. Yeah.
yeah, okay. So, ma'am, if you have any question, you can ask me or my sister.
Yeah, first one suggests me, please don't use the ma'am because I am only 11th standard. You also two classes only junior. So it is a no. It is explain the kumkum. Okay. And
Okay,
what
no,
is your name?
my name
Yeah.
is Muwaj.
And what is your name? What?
My name is Maliha Binte Masood, but you can call me Maliha.
Malihar. And you? Mohan,
What?
please speak in loudly.
My name is Muwaj. Muwaj. Muwaj.
Muwaj,
Yes, right.
Muwaj,
Now
Hmm.
your
Muaz
pronunciation.
and yeah, Muaz and Malayal.
Yes, right.
Yeah, yeah, it is a good name. It is a good name. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
And
good.
yeah, thank you, thank you for yeah. Okay, in the Bangladesh, I mean, who is the prime minister?
Yeah, now you can say Professor Dr. Muhammad Yunus is the chief advisor of interim government.
Yeah, doctor,
Dr. Muhammad Yunus, Nobel winner.
Nobel winner. Okay. And what is your daily routine? And please tell me.
Yeah, actually, our daily actually, truly speaking, first we get up from bed, then we take our bath. You can say have a wash and take ourselves, and then we take and have some snacks, especially one kind of breakfast, and then we go to our study, and our tutor come for teaching us. And after that, we have to go to the school. Then we come back from the school. Then we take some rest and eat something. You can say breakfast like snacks, and then we have to also go to one private center. We come back again, and then we have to pray. And after that, our another teacher came to our house for teaching us. And after that, we study. And after studying after completing our home tasks of our school, of our tuition, then we eat our dinner. And after that, we read sometimes for taking some storybooks, and then we go to sleep. So you can say this is our whole day, you can say, routine. And especially you know that in Bangladesh, Saturday and Friday and Saturday is our holiday. So in that day, we also become so busy with our studies and with our household chores.
Yeah, I think that you told me your Bangla in this Saturday and Friday it is a holiday. But why do 2 days in the holiday?
Yeah, actually, in the previous time, 3 or 4 years ago, I can't remember, but long time ago, it was only Friday. Friday, and then government has taken that 2 days, Friday and Saturday. These 2 days they have taken.
Okay. It is a good because today it is a very I mean a lot of time both of you. Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. Actually, truly speaking, in the previous time, from very earlier, without any kind of institution, especially like school, college, high school, without this, especially bank, any kind of office, government office is so that type of things was two. But after that, government has taken a challenge to take 2 days of holiday for school, college, primary school, high school, for everyone.
Yeah, that's great. Wow. Okay. And
So would
okay.
you like to share with us
Yeah,
that
please could you repeat it? Because your voice is correct.
would you like to share with us that how did you learn this language? Which YouTube channel or which type of platform are you following to learn to improve your spoken English?
No, I don't know any. I don't know any the platform number because because in 10 or 15 days I before I also create the account in the Skype. One friend, he is a Naveen. So Naveen told me, "Ki Kumkum, please create the account in the Skype because lot of person different and also different country. So it is a very helpful because also your confidence it is a very high, so it is please create the account as copy. I am not create the YouTube account and I am not upload the YouTube. I am not learning in the English because I am not very well English. So thus
Uh,
I am try to in the English.
you was right that confidence is very important. So we had to work on improving to remove our hesitation and for getting more confident and too confident by most of the English learners. You can say 80% English learners can't speak because they are lack of confidence. They have to become confident and they have to speak English fluently.
Yes, I'm so great to see the sister Kumkum that you are speaking so confidently, and it is your first conversation with you, and you're doing so excellent. I'm so surprised, and when I have come here in this platform, it was my first time. Then I can speak so clearly, eye to eye, face to face. That was so difficult task to me, but by doing so many conversation, if you visit my YouTube channel, so you can see that by doing so many more and more
Yeah,
I have got
yeah,
the
I also watched your video because na ki sometime you also you also in this and Sweta English lifestyle. So I am also watched the both of you. Yeah, it is a
Yeah.
very likely. It is a very likely most. I really am appreciate.